Hello, I'm Beth, Training Coordinator for Southwire Solutions University, also known as SSU. Today, I will show you how to register for an SSU training course. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm going to start at southwire.com to make it easy for you. You're going to click on Services, and then you're going to click on Southwire Solutions University. Scroll just a little bit and look for Classroom and Virtual Events. And then you're going to click Visit Site. This is going to put you on our registration page. And all you have to do is click on Register Now. And the first step is going to be to enter a little bit of information. So we're going to go ahead and enter our name and enter your email address. All right, and then you have to select your registration type, either an agent, a distributor, or something else, an end user. Some examples of end user, I'm going to select that. Some examples are if you're a contractor, maybe you're in the government sect or the educational sect or utility engineer, you get the idea. So if you're not an agent or distributor, you're an end user. And then the next thing is our group affiliation. Just go ahead and select that if you're a part of our group affiliation. And then the rest of the information is pretty standard. Okay, then we're down to work address. This is my city. And you can hit the tab key to make it easy to go to the next field. All right, and then the very last field is going to be preferred distributor. So this is directed toward a contractor. So if you're a contractor and you have a preferred distributor, we'd appreciate it if you noted that right here. And then just put the name of the person that you're working with. And then also, if you're a distributor yourself, if you're working with an agency, list the agency and your rep. Then click Next. Now we are on the registration items page, which is where you're going to select your classes. Notice Virtual Solutions Training is already selected for you. So these are all virtual training classes. Notice that you must select one class, at least one class, but there's no maximum. So you could select all of the classes if you want to. Then notice that we're viewing the classes in Eastern Standard Time. If you're in a different time zone, just click on the clock and you'll be able to view the classes in your time zone. But just keep in mind that most of the classes are conducted in Eastern Standard Time. And then all the classes are arranged by date on the page. So you will just scroll to the classes that you are interested in. If it's something that's at a later date, maybe possibly in June, just select left click on the scroll bar and you can use that to quickly scroll down to the bottom of the page. So I'm just going to click on a couple more classes. So I've selected 3 classes. Go ahead and do 4. And then just scroll down to the bottom once you've once you selected all the classes that you want, click Next. And travel arrangements is for in-person training, obviously, but in-person training is suspended at this time. We're only accepting virtual training. So just go ahead and click this little box that says that you're attending virtual training and you will not need travel. Then click Next, and we're going to be on the registration summary. This is where you're going to see all of the information that you input into the system. Make sure that it's correct. The major thing you want to look at is agenda. Your agenda is going to list the sessions. It's going to tell you that you've registered for virtual solutions training. It's going to tell you that all of the sessions that you registered for, just make sure those are correct. If you find a mistake, just click previous and that will take you back to the previous screen. You can make your corrections and then click submit and you'll be back on this page. All right, and we're going to go ahead and click submit. We're almost finished. The system's going to process your order and it's going to give you an opportunity to share your registration on social media. We'd love that if you would like to share that with your colleagues. That would be terrific. If you want to do that, just copy the URL and you can post it to any social media. If you don't want to do that, that's okay. Just click on the X and you'll be on your confirmation registration. So congratulations, you're registered for a course. Here's your confirmation. I do want to tell you about just a couple of things. Make sure you do get your confirmation number. That lets you know that your classes are confirmed. So make sure you see that confirmation number before you leave the registration system. If you have any problems, you can contact me. You will receive a registration confirmation email from the system that will have your confirmation number in it. All right, and then one more thing to tell you is that we have this wonderful Add to Calendar button. You can click on Add to Calendar. Don't worry about the event. What you're interested in is the individual sessions. You can see that each class that I registered for is listed here, and I can click download. It will download a calendar invite for me. Just double click on that to open it up and then save it to your calendar, and you won't miss training. You can do that for each of the individual sessions that are listed there. And when you're finished with that, just click on the X and you're done. So if you have any problems with this process, please give me a call. My name is underneath my picture. Just shorten the Elizabeth to Beth, and you can contact me at Beth.Chandler@southwire.com. And I'm happy to help you at any time. Thank you. Enjoy your day.